Welcome back over to the R44 channel. Today we're using two springs from Eibach to take your M3 competition from this to this. Oh yeah. The product. So we fitted two Eibach springs. It's quite crazy. Never have I ever fitted just two springs to a car, but Eibach have made it something quite crazy. Didn't know we're gonna go up, we can go up. But yeah, my legs were hurting. But yeah, anyways, two springs. So Eibach had developed this because they know that the front just needs to go down on the G80. The rear is already pretty good. You can just about get one finger. So what they've done is just leveled up the car properly, and the ride quality, is near on perfect. So what they've done is pretty much got the spring rate from the rear, matched it up with the front or the front OEM. So you're just reducing the height, and for, I think it's like $250, less than £200 for a set of springs. Pretty quick on the labor as well, because the fronts are a lot easier to do than the rears. But yeah, simple as that. It's quite an easy install, and especially for G80, G81 customers, it's essential. For G82 customers, M4 customers, you do need a lot more. Your car is like on stilts from the factory, front and rear, so you need a full Eibach or a H&R or something like that. But for now, yeah, this is, quick explanation of what it does. Yeah, there's not really much more to talk about. It's such an easy mod for such great value in a simple fitting. It's well worth it, and it just does that enough so you don't scrape your splitter. And of course, you may have noticed we've also fitted on some DRLs, so some R44 DRLs to this car that just, make the purple pop a little more. What is it? It's Daytona purple, which is beautiful, but it needs to be cleaned for sure. Anyways, less than me, just so you know, this is Eibach front springs, 12.5mm spaces on the front, 12.5mm spaces on the rear, and the stock ride height on the rear. But yeah, let's show you some visuals of how it all looks.